Oh, hello, I'm Claude. Company is ISE. ISE is a French company who is a software editor on one side and also a hardware manufacturer. And we manufacture hardware on the brands named Qeedji. This year at ISE we are showing a new 10-inch tablet for fixed use, for example on trans and the hall. And this tablet is fully equipped for this kind of application. That means it comes, of course, with a contour light, so we can change this light from the application. It's coming with an Android 9 operating system, so you can have your own app. If you are, for example, occupancy manager system, you can use it. And we have full APIs to custom the applications. Okay, it's also equipped with a presence detector, so we can manage the screen off and on automatically with RFID and NFC and reader, so you can have a badge detection. So it's very thin. I think it's one of the thinnest on the market this year, and it's very easy to integrate whatever is your wall, glass or partitions, standard partitions, no problem. It's come with PoE fixation on its back, which is very slim, so there is no wide in between the wall and the screen. It's direct on the screen. So it can come with some other product with a presence detector. It can be integrated with presence detector thanks to Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE) applications. So it's a full product for your custom application. You can find more information on our website, so you can www.qeedji, QEEDJI.tech, TECH. Thank you very much.